On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, boys and girls? Today we're going to make a Z50 front rack for Mini. You all remember this piece, right? It's a good, not too heavy, but it'll definitely hold a 100-pound little Z50 motorcycle. So we're going to do 4 feet. And then 1, 2, 3 inches in on each side. We're going to notch and flip the sides up a little bit to cradle the tires. Whoops. Damn. See if it fits. Like a glove. Is it strong? What do you think? Probably about right there. And I do want to make it so I can hook the foot pegs right through, which I don't know if they're dead center. It doesn't look like it, so I'll have to put tabs. It's got to be about there. It's alright. If I screw up, I got this one's a little longer. And of course we're going to go from the bottom of this 2-inch square stock out to about halfway, 3/4 of the way, about where the wheels sit, with probably a piece of angle flattened out on the end, just to give it a little more rigidity. Guess we're not going to be able to drive at night. But I do have those lights. And the headlights will barely make it through. It is what it is. It is what it is. That's about perfect right there. By the time you stand it up straight, like that. Not bad. This is for the foot pegs. No matter what you do, you can't get this freaking galvanized off here. Not too bad. It sucks welding on there. And galvanized. Nope, next one up. That's it. A little loose. By eye. I'm going to weld this. You don't even need a gun, you just pull it over onto the... It's definitely not going anywhere. The only other way we could tighten that up is if I put, like I said, you could put blocks under it to tighten to it. Put a pipe and tighten it to the pipe, and then it's solid. But I mean, that's not going anywhere anyway.
It's probably fine.
I'm sure. I do want to put some kind of little thumb wheels or something on. See how she goes, Minnie. Thing only weighs 105 pounds. Plows weigh way more than that, so it should be fine, right? Oh yeah. Actually, you can't even really notice it's on the front, which I guess this is pretty much a good test to see whether it'll hold the plow well also. People were saying it's going to do stoppies. I don't think so. I got all that dump stuff in the back and all that other extra weight. I think it'll be fine. Everybody's going to wonder what you are now, Minnie. That was close. It's not really in the view either. It's not bad. I just wonder how it's going to look at night. Let's check it out. See how much it really blocks the headlights. Off-road, no problem. I could put the big lights on, of course. Oh yeah. That'll definitely work. Yes, sir. Diff lock time. Did good as always, Minnie. Well, I think it's good. So it doesn't get the bounce to it. I could probably put it to here with a rubber bungee or something, but that's not going anywhere. Good enough. I just got to take it off and paint it up.
A few moments later.
I think that came out pretty good. Perfect. Custom Z50 2-inch receiver rack, front or rear. Jeez, he's wheeling already.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.